guys, today I'm making Coco. I need a scissor, kids line, and also an oval, black pencil, and the yellow square, that's the beak. And this is a really big sheet of paper, black is
And what is shape is that?
square.
Yes, paper. What shape is that?
Cylinder. First, I need some line here. It's enough line. But now I can cut that. So now we are gonna roll the whiskey paper. Tumble around and click. Really cut it. So there is some paper out sticking. We're gonna put it down. Right, Mom?
Yes, sweetheart. Yes. Great. Good job.
Love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Good, Mom.
Yes, very good.
Round again, okay?
Yes.
This side. It's all done.
Great.
Here is the Life Year from Coco.
What is that?
Life Year.
Okay.
Now I'm cutting and I'm going to show you. A little far away, right? Turn. There we go. There's the beak. Now I'm
Wow.
sticking it on there. A little line here, Mom. Then, Mom, I'm finished. The stick. Like that. Now I'm cutting this wings, folding it in half, right, Mom?
Who teach you?
Your floor.
Oh, is your floor is good?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now open it. I'm not gonna cut some cuts in the sides, okay? Huh? Is that good?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cutting this. Sorry, I did wrong. That's okay, right?
Yes.
Good, Mom.
Wow. So pretty. Yes, exactly. Good girl.
But this have no more line. That's okay.
Yeah, that's
I'll
okay.
put here.
Yes, great.
I'm cutting again. I'm making the same, Mom.
Sure. I trust you. Wow, so pretty.
Looks like slingers. Still a little bit on the top, right?
Yeah.
Good, Mom.
Now you can add a little bit more.
No, otherwise it's too much. Now I'm putting this here, Mom. There it sticks.
Yes.
Yay. Uh-oh. It looked down, Mom.
That's okay.
This is good sticker.
Wow.
Is that cooling?
Yes.
Do you feel like it,
Yeah,
Mom?
it's almost Coco.
Yeah.
Okay, then finish.
Another wing, then later some eyes. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Good, Mom. Right?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna stick it also. Right, Mom?
Yes, yes.
Little lay down. I need to lay down, right?
Mm-hmm.
That goes there. And stick it good. And I need to also stick the eyes in the color.
Yes.
I'm sticking the eyes on the back. The two, Ma.
Yeah.
Here's one eye finish. And here's one eye finish also of the color.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna stick them. Ma. Good, Mom. Need to carefully sweep it to me. And then remove it from the table so I can hold it. And then stick. Stick it. Ha! One eye! It looks funny, right, Mom?
Yeah, so nice.
Hey! It's really enough, Mom. Thanks, Mom. What? There it sticks. New